Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the item storage in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video is for beginner that are still confused how this game it works and how you can challenge the event, how you can get reward by completing missions, and also you can get some item or some rewards, but you have not yet checked it out. You can check the item storage in your storage. Let's get started by tapping the menu button and tap this one, the item menu. So this is all the item and all the zenny you've got from this game. For example, the summon ticket, tap it. This is all my summon ticket that I had, and also like fragment. So this is all of your item that you've got from the event or by completing the challenge or missions. So please check out your items to make sure you have the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.